Hello friends, in this video I will show you 30 by 50 site house plan. This is the ground floor plan. This is the typical first floor plan. Let's see details of this floor plan. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and support me. I will be uploading regularly of new plan. Please support me and subscribe to my channel. This is ground floor plan. Length of site is 50 feet and width of site is 30 feet. This is east direction, this is west direction, and this is north direction, and this is south direction. Towards south, 3 feet offset is provided. Towards south, 3 feet offset is provided. Towards west, also 3 feet offset is provided. Towards north, 3 feet 6 inch offset is provided. The entire ground floor is kept for parking only. Here our staircase room, which connects the upper floor. Width of staircase is 6 feet and width of first flight is 3 feet and width of second flight also 3 feet. We enter first floor through the staircase in clockwise direction. Let's see details of first floor plan. This is typical first floor plan. In first floor have a two portion. This is first portion, 2 BHK house. This is second portion, 2 BHK 2 BHK house. Let's see details of first portion house. Towards north, main door is provided. This is living area of size 12 feet 4 inch by 11 feet 8 inch. Towards northeast, living area is provided as per Vastu. Here our entrance to kitchen. Kitchen is provided towards southeast corner of size 6 feet 6 inch by 7 feet 6 inch. Here backside of kitchen one common toilet is provided of size 4 feet by 6 5 feet 6 inch. In southwest corner one master bedroom is provided of size 9 feet 4 inch by 9 feet 6 inch. In northwest corner have a second bedroom of size 8 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 6 inch. For this bedroom have attached toilet of size 4 feet by 5 feet. This width is 12 feet 10 inch. All outer walls are 6 inch thick wall. All inner walls are 4 inch thick wall. This house is designed for rental purpose. Second portion house main door is also provided towards north direction. This is the living room of size 10 feet by 13 feet 2.5 inch. Here our kitchen of size 6 feet by 9 feet. Towards southwest corner our master bedroom of size 9 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 6 inch. For this bedroom our attached toilet of size 3 feet. For this bedroom our attached toilet of size 3 feet 8 inch by 6 feet 10.5 inch. Here I have one common toilet of size 4 feet by 6 feet 2 inch. Here I have another bedroom in northwest corner of size 8 feet 4 inch by 9 feet 6 inch. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and support me. See you in the next video.